Etiquettes, very good. So all of you also will become my teacher only. We are here to learn about manners and etiquette. Yes?
Palm with palm, rest. The thumbs on each other's palm and the fingers are closed. Can you see? Can you see that? Yes? And now, hello. Good morning, Miss Malika. How are you? Super, that is the way. Arms are joined, elbows, we stretch. The fingers touching each other, right up, pointing up. Please concentrate. Yeah, thank you. So thumbs again. You'll be joining your thumbs as well. For a while, I'll just keep my mic down. I hope I'll be audible. So, as I mentioned,
let's learn the different style of eating. There are two styles of eating. American style of eating or casual style of eating, and European style of eating, and continental or formal style of eating.
Now, and I'm done eating and I want more dim sum or more sushi or more momos. Will I take this chopstick which I put in my mouth and lick it and eat it and put back in the common dish? That's why you have this thick part, because in some restaurants when they serve you chopsticks, they might not give you any other cutlery. You can always request for cutlery, but they might not give you. So you have to serve yourself back. You switch your hand, so you are eating from the front part. Am I visible to everyone? I will show you how to hold the hand, fork in the left hand, everybody. Just learn.